Have you ever felt like something sacred was trying to reach you? A whisper behind the noise of the world. Maybe you've outgrown organized religion, tired of rules, guilt, and fear disguised as faith. What if the divine was never somewhere to find, but something waiting to awaken within you? Awakening to the Sacred Knock is more than a workshop. It's a homecoming to your own soul, to your own wisdom, to your own sacred truth. The knock is not at your door, it's within your heart. Are you ready to answer? Join us for the Awakening to the Sacred Knock workshop, available now at thesacredknock.com.